Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in trading, then you're on the right side of YouTube, because here I'm showing you how to trade successfully and get your profit. Before we start, the video has been translated into more than 20 languages, so don't forget to use subtitles for your own comfort. I will start trade today with $60 on deposit, and I'm going to use Awesome Oscillator Indicator. So if you're ready to join me, to join my trading session today, then super easy, put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you always keep updated about my new videos. Let's not waste time and get started. Guys, today we are going to trade with you on support and resistance levels, as well as uptrends, downtrends and other patterns and situations on the market. And to help our technical analysis, we are going to use Awesome Oscillator Indicator. This indicator will tell us which volumes prevail on the market to increase or decrease. And this indicator is already connected, all the settings are left by default. Now I'll remind you what is the signal for opening a deal. As you can see, the indicator is located under our chart. It consists of horizontal line with a mark of 0, as well as red and green histograms. The signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, a green histogram begins to form. This situation tells us that volumes are growing for an increase, which means that in the near future the price will move up. In a similar situation, we could open a deal for going up. Also, when a red histogram is formed, it means that volumes are growing for a decrease, and in the near future the price will move down. In a similar situation, we could also open a deal down. Both the red and green histogram can be formed above the horizontal line or below the horizontal line. The very fact of the formation of a green or red histogram tells us that volumes are growing either up or down. Also, of course, you should not forget about the support and resistance levels. Also, pay attention to the trading situation in general. I also want to warn you right away that this indicator has a RORS, that is, the indicator can give false signals during pullbacks or when the price is in the trading zone. Therefore, it is super important to pay attention on the trading situation as a whole. Only a competent combination of technical analysis and indicator together will give us a good result. So please be sure to watch this video till the end. I'm sure we will find different situations today, and you will see how I work with this indicator. So guys, let's get started and I'll find the first situation. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after the pullback the price has turned around and is approaching our level again. Also, the main price lows are getting higher. The price has an excellent potential to increase. Also, at the same time, a green histogram begins to form, which means that volumes are growing for an increase. In such a situation, I'll open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think it is more likely that the price will also continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be breached. We also take 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible pro trade or rollback down. I think that this time will be quite enough for us, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, the price really continued to move up and the level was broken. This is where we make a profit. The indicator also gave us a good entry point. The volumes for an increase really began to grow. 2 minutes was quite enough for us in this situation. We also see that the price continues its steady upward movement. The main resistance level is also higher. I think that in the near future the price will move directly to this level. And we also see that the green histogram continues to form at the same time. We can try to open the next deal here. Since the price has already come close enough to this level, we will open a deal literally for 1 minute to increase. I think that this time will be quite enough and we'll have enough time to work with you on the upward movement. The price has an excellent potential for going up, and I think 1 minute will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, quite good. The price has slowed down as it approached the level, but still we are making profit here. The closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. Also, at the moment the reaction begins to occur from the level, the price is fading and there may be a pullback down in the near future. We also see that red histogram begins to form at the same time, and so guys, I will watch the price for a bit and maybe we'll open deal here. So guys, we see that after the pullback, the price has turned around and is approaching our level again. There is a kind of compression. Also, after the formation of the red histogram, a green histogram begins to form. This means that volumes for the increase are beginning to grow. Let's open a deal here again for 2 minutes to increase. It is quite possible that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible it will be breached 2 minutes, also with margin taking into account possible pro trade or roll back down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. The price has slowed down, but still the upward movement continued. Also, this level was broken. This is where we make a profit. And since the price moved slowly and in waves, the indicator formed a green, then a red histogram. The indicator took this situation as a pro trading zone, but we still made a profit in this situation because we also paid attention to the trading situation in general. And yeah, we saw that the price has a good potential for going up and we made a great result here. So that's why it's important to pay attention first on the trading situation as a whole and only then to pay attention on the hints of indicator. And so guys, let's continue. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after the first touch of the resistance level there was a pullback down, and after the pullback the price turned around and is approaching our level again. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The main price lows are also getting higher. The price has a good potential to increase. Also at the same time a green histogram begins to form, which means that volumes are growing for an increase. In the near future the price will move up. I think it is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. I think that 2 minutes will be quite enough when taking into account possible pro trade or a rollback down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, quite a dangerous moment, but still the price continued to move up and fix position above the level. Despite the fact that there was a fading, we still make a profit. Market situations are different and you need to be prepared for this. So let's continue and find the next entry point. We have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment there is some kind of compression, and in this situation we'll open a deal for 2 minutes, go down. The overall price potential is also going down. Just at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond the level. At the same time a red histogram is formed. This means that the volumes are growing downwards. I think that in the near future the level will be broken and we will have time to work with you on this movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Okay guys, there was an upward pullback, but after that the price turned around and continued to move down. Also the indicator in turn told us a good entry point. This level was still broken through. This is where we make a profit. 2 minutes was enough for us. Everything is going perfect guys. Let's continue and find another situation in the market. Here we see that there was a downtrend. After the first touch of the support level there was an upward pullback, and after a while the price turned around. Also at the same time there is still space for the support level while a red histogram is formed, which means that volumes are growing for a decrease. In this situation it's just opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that the price will continue to move directly to the support level since the overall price potential is also going down. Just at the moment a good confident red candle is beginning to form, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Oh, that's quite good. As you can see, the price really continued to move towards the level. This is where we make a profit. The indicator also gave us a good entry point and helped us to determine the further price movement. Everything is going great, guys. Let's continue. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after touching the level there was a pullback down, and after a while the price turns around and begins to move up. Also, at the same time, we see that a green histogram is being formed. I suggest in this situation to open a deal with the margin of 3 minutes to go up. I think that the price will continue to move towards the level, since the price also has a good potential for increase. 3 minutes also with the margin, take into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. The price can still continue to move to the level and we are making profit. The volumes for increase really started to grow. Also closer to the level, the price fell into the pro-trading zone and pullback begin to form. But we still managed to work exactly on the upward movement. Let's continue guys. We have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident unidirectional movement. At the same time, there is still space for the support level, and in this situation we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down as volumes are going for a decrease. A red histogram is formed. At the same time, the price has an excellent potential for a decrease. I think the 2 minutes here will be also quite enough, and even take into account possible pro trade or roll back up. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's not bad. After the pullback up, the price turned around and continued to move to the level. This is where we make a profit. I already have almost $4,000 on my deposit. I propose to find another last deal for today. I just find the situation and we will continue guys. So here we have a level of support. We also see that there was a downtrend here. At the moment the price has reached our level, and in this situation we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down and this level will be broken. We also see that a red histogram is formed at the same time. This means that the volumes are growing downwards. Also, the price as a whole has a good potential for going down. The main price highs are getting lower. Just at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond our level. I think that 2 minutes here will be also quite enough, even taking into account possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, great guys, as you can see the price really continued to move down. The level was broken and here we get a good confident profit. Also, the indicator in turn told us a good entry point. The volumes on the decline really started to grow. The price continued to move down. I already have $5,000 on deposit, so I suggest we end here because I fulfill my trading plan for today. That's it for today, and thank you guys for watching this video till the end. All the market situations worked out perfectly. Now you know how to trade using Awesome Oscillator Indicator. I hope that information you received today will be useful for you in your own trading. So what you can do is just to try to connect with this indicator and try to find similar situations which we work today on and train as much as possible. That's how you're gonna accumulate your own unique experience. And this process, the trading overall, will definitely work out for you and there won't be struggles anymore. What makes me happy is that you are active on my channel, so please put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and turn on notification button. Also guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. If you want to get into this group, super easy. What you should do is just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I left the link down below and I will add you to this group. And so guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!